Better move it, Captain. The Hutts want their spice back. We gotta jump to hyperspace or we're dead. Come on, flip the bypass to the hyperdrive. All right, hyperdrive controls are activated. Make the jump to light speed. Nice one, Captain. Oh, that never gets old. As soon as we offload these spice crates at Shadow Market, we are sitting pretty. You know, maybe then you can make those repulsor lift upgrades you've been promising me forever. You know, and forever and ever. You know, it looks like we're gonna be in hyperspace for a while here, so feel free to go back and check our loot. You name it. Sky's the limit. Oh, look at that. Remember the Vinta Harvest Classic? I know I do. Because I'd never seen a human able to handle a pod racer before. Nobody there had. Somehow, you did it. You were terrible at it and we lost a ton of credits, but still, you know what? An accomplishment. Small, but important. However, please don't do it again. No idea. Junk Peddler said it was some kind of unfair artifact, but I don't know. Oh, scrag. Looks like we took some damage back there. While I try to reroute the power, why don't you go ahead and scan the ship? Well, looks like the main sensor antenna's been damaged. All right, let's switch to backup. Okay, let's do the next one. Switching to defense systems. Well, the deflector shields are totally offline. One more hit and we would have been toast. Let's shut them down until we can get them repaired. Something's wrong, Captain. Let's go check it out. What in the galaxy? That's impossible. Something's pulled us out of hyperspace and put us down in the Atreus sector. We're in the outer rim. That doesn't look like any Star Destroyer that I've ever seen. How did they snag us?
This is Admiral Carius of the Galactic Empire. Surrender control of your ship immediately.
This is ZOE3, first mate on the Windfall. Zoe to my friends. There must be some mistake. Admiral, the Windfall is a humble salvage vessel.
Anything short of immediate compliance will result in your destruction.
My bad, Admiral. Sorry about that. Slaving our ship's guidance to your Imperial control now. Ugh, scrag. Well, we didn't do anything that bad. Whoa! Whoa, that looks like Mustafar. Mustafar's a mining planet. Why are the Imperials taking us there? What's the Empire even doing on a backwater planet like this? I got a bad feeling about this, Captain.
This is Admiral Carius. Present your ship for inspection.
You know, I'm getting the feeling they're onto us. I'll hide the credit checks.
Don't
You
open
wipe the
your
ship's
doors
nav off.
at once. We will board your ship by force. Civilian ship. Open your doors.
I'm officially worried, Captain.
Open your doors.
Just a moment. Sorry, we're having... Oh! Hi.
Don't move, scum!
You've caused us considerable inconvenience, smuggler.
Smugglers? Who said we were
Silence
smugglers?
this
Who are
droid.
these smugglers?
Take them both to the holding cells. You're awake. Good. My name is Admiral Carius. In a moment, Darth Vader, Lord of this monolith, will give you a task at which you will undoubtedly fail. A word of advice. Do not anger Vader. I loathe cleaning these cells after interrogation. Cooperate, and I promise you a merciful death when he's through with you. You are not the first candidate to fall under his scrutiny, and you will likely not be the last.
You may wonder why I have brought you here. You are required to perform one simple task. Open this configuration, and I will spare your life.
By the core.
This is the one I've been searching for.
Voice ID. Admiral Carius.
I will send for you shortly.